In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a video from YouTube into your Canvas page in a way that keeps the student in the Canvas page and plays the video directly in the page so they don't see any advertisements. So we'll start off by showing a non-example. So right here, I created this page and I put a link to the video that I want my students to see, and I used a hyperlink. And so if students, this is just basically a link to the URL directly to the YouTube video. So if I click on this, it opens up a separate window with Canvas, and you can see on the right, there are all different advertisements that can distract your students. Oh, that no oven chocolate cake looks delicious. And you don't have control over what content the students are going to see. So we're going to do this a little differently. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight the URL of this video, and then I'm going to right click on my mouse, and then that'll bring up this little menu, and I will select copy. So now the video link is copied to my clipboard. Then I'm going to go to Canvas, and when you open up Canvas, you'll be on the dashboard. I'm going to go down and select Studio. And then here in Studio, up on the upper right, I'm going to add a new video. So I have a couple choices here. I can bring videos into Studio that are saved on my computer, like if I recorded a video or somebody sent me a video and I had it saved, that file I could drag and drop it, or since this video is from YouTube, I'll use the YouTube function right here. Again, I'm going to click in this box. I'm going to do right click to access the clipboard, and then go up and select paste and add. So there's the video. It shows up pretty much right away in your Canvas page. And now I want to share it to the page that I've created so I can share it with my students. So I'll click on the three dots here and I'll go to Share Media. So the first thing I have to do is create a public link. And then I have two choices. I have the link and I have the embed code. And we're going to go with the embed code so it keeps the student right there in their Canvas page. So I am highlighting this with my mouse, and then I am hovering over it and right-clicking with the mouse and pressing copy. So now I have that embed code on my clipboard. So I can press done. And then I'm going to go back to that page. I have that page open in a separate Canvas window. And I'm going to edit it. I'm going to change how I do this video. So now, instead of this hyperlink that I had before, I'll leave that in there so you can see both methods. I'm going to go to Insert, and then Embed. And then this is where I put that embed code. So it works differently than a regular link. So I am right-clicking to access the clipboard. I am pressing Paste. And then Submit. And now I have the video directly in frame. And watch, when I click on it, it's not going to show any other videos on the side. I'm not going to see any advertisements. This is a safe way to share this video with my students.
Multiply fractions. The model we're going to use right now is a bar.
Let's see what happens when we get to the end of the video.
How much I can put the gallon. So 3/5 of 1/3 of the gallon makes for a total of. Well, I hope that helps you see how you can use a bar model to choose your math. Have a great day.
So at the end, it keeps me right there and it doesn't do an autoplay to the next thing that happens to be in the YouTube feed. So that is how to add a video from YouTube directly to your Canvas page that keeps your students in the page, does not open another window, and does not expose them to other videos or advertising. Thank you. Hope that was helpful.